Hey guys, Anthony with the Rad Company, and in today's video, we're talking about the Screwball detailing brush from our friends over at Detail Factory. Now, many of you detailers know of the Curveball detailing brush. You know, the one with the ultra fine synthetic bristles. Think about that brush, but with a twist. The Screwball is that it's going to be very similar in function and form, except it's going to have real boar's hair bristles, unbleached boar's hair bristles as your main scrubbing surface. So this is going to be ideal for building up a lather. This is essentially the nicest shave brush that anybody's ever produced, but they said, why would we produce a shave brush when we can use this for interior and exterior detailing? So this brush can be paired with your favorite interior cleaner to build a wicked, and I mean wicked, lather. And it's going to provide plenty of scrubbing ability in comparison to the ultra soft brush that is the Curveball. Now, this brush can be used on the exterior, but we do recommend testing in an inconspicuous area. On wheels and things such as that might be okay, but I really wouldn't recommend this for your vehicle's paint work. Now, what I also like about the Detail Factory Screwball is that it's gonna have that same handle that the Curveball has. It's gonna have that nice weight to it that you can flip around the shop, catch in your hand, and it's gonna feel good every time. It's gonna have that outer rubberized edge to protect from any damage, and of course, you get the rack. So when you're done using the Screwball brush, you can simply hang it on here to dry. Amazing. It's gonna come in black and red, and I can't wait for you guys to try it out for yourself. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, have a screwy day.